Jacob. Ano yan? Jacob. Sorry. Kung tanggalin yan. Oh. That's okay. There's more. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Bye. Bye. Take it. Sige na. Oh. That is so big. Whoa. There you go.
Wait, come on, wait, buddy. Wait, buddy. Okay, let's let somebody else have a turn.
See it? All right. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Jacob, ayun!
There. Jacob, look.
Story, but they each have their own very personality. One of the best things about working so closely with our animals every single day is that
Dede?
Can't wait. So, buddy, I think he might be up there somewhere, so let's take a look.
Yes, I'm up here, and I see that you and Seymour are on time and in your places. I like it.
Oh, yeah, you know, that's how we work, Mr. Director, sir. And can I say, we are just so excited to work with such an amazing and incredible...
Yes, that's great, wonderful, amazing. But where is your co-worker, Clyde?
Kasi may tubig ka pa? Jellyfish.